This is our day to explore downtown Old Montreal. Alright, so as we were walking to the bagel place, we came across this construction area, and next to it is Umi Burger, and they are halal, and their menu looked pretty cool, so we'll probably come back here tomorrow. Now let's go back on track and have some bagels. We found our bagel place called Hinavi Brothers Bagel and Cafe. We got our bagels. Khiz got sesame
overload.
Eesa got a unique one, a coconut bagel with cream cheese.
I don't know if I like.
I got a cinnamon raisin. And Mom got a veggie sandwich with extra egg in it. So you have more.
Have some more. Are you done?
Just finished eating at Hinavi Brothers. They were okay. They were packaged bagel by Hinavi. The toast wasn't good. The best part about this place is their service and the people who work here. Hey, Khiz and Eesa, what do you think of the bagel over there? It was good, and you didn't like it?
Here's my ball. So he was bad, he was good.
Yeah. Okay, it was just in the middle. We're on the 5th floor of Holiday Inn, but on the other side. Alright, so we finished our bagel, passing by Holiday Inn again, and now we are walking towards the Notre Dame Basilica. Alright, so we hung out and took some pictures here. That was the Marriott that we were looking to stay, Chateau Champlain, with those very interesting looking windows. So maybe next time we can try that. And then this park right in front of the Marriott, Parc du Canada, with a war memorial. Really, really peaceful park. Alright, Eesa, let's go. Check out the cannon. Was it involved in World War II? It does say it's from Artillery Regiment from 1988, so it's probably a newer one. But this memorial is around World War II. Accidentally stumbled upon the front of the Cathedral of Marie Renee Dumont. Walking through heading to Old Montreal still, but passing by really nice squares. I'm gonna go check out this sculpture too. La Grande Jean Paul. Alright, first signs of getting closer to Old Montreal.
Il me fait le coup du souviens-toi, avec tes souvenirs sur les bras. Et moi, ce qui reste, mais pas dans mon bas de tambour. Je pense à la Bésame, bésame mucho, como si fuera esta noche la última vez.
The vibe in Old Montreal is really, really neat. The musicians, the park right in front of the Notre Dame Basilica was very nice. And now we are heading to a store so we can get some gelato. Maybe we should go here, getting some snacks. Go back, listen to some more songs. Something you're not gonna see in the US. Doritos ketchup flavor. Love these. You got some drinks. Oh my god. Extra ketchup. Mom's favorite wafers.
And Mars chocolate.
And Mars chocolate. Finally hit the jackpot. I've seen a lot of pictures of the street in Montreal, right in between the Notre Dame Basilica and City Hall. Nice restaurants. And when we entered, there was cool music playing, so very nice vibe. Want to try some Ben & Jerry's?
Sure.
All right, let's go get some ice cream. See outside. It's an ice cream frenzy over the banana split.
My name is Eric. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Warm-up drink. Take this drink. En avant. Moi, je vais mettre mes deux pieds sur les lames. I'm going to put my 2 feet on the blade. And I've been doing this for 25 years.
He's gonna stand on a sword.
Juggle back.
Okay, he's stopping on sword number 1. And sword number 2.
This is it. My last trick. My best trick. 12 years of my life. Bonus trick. Why not? Oh, go ahead. Hey, merci. Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Eesa going in to give him
$10
10 quid.
And he doesn't have a job. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot.
So we just got on Rue St. Paul. This was the street of flowers. We were trying to figure out where we were. Now we're gonna head down this way. So we are back on Jacques Cartier Road, walking towards the water. We're gonna go see how much are those quad bikes to rent. We are right by the Old City Port and the Ferris wheel. So I asked somebody, what is this place called? And they said this is called View Park. Next to Old Montreal, right next to the water. A lot of shops. And looks like all of Montreal is out and about. It's beautiful here. All right, so kids just bought a couple of watches. Eesa, can I see your watch and your katana? So they bought a couple of watches.
Tell us the
It
time
matches.
Now we're gonna go see the Montreal sign.
He says like full on into it.
So we got some pictures by this Ferris wheel. Who's excited for dinner? So that's the Bon's Course Market. Now we are off to Mama Khan, which is a Pakistani restaurant. We are in the Quartier des Spectacles or Spectacles. We are about 10 minutes away from the restaurant. So we are apparently walking through this festival BD de Montreal. You don't see many unicycles. There we go, Mama Khan.
and take and steal all the stores.
So we got the vegetarian thali. We also got the Peshawari karahi, which is for 14 bucks. Hi mommy, are you ready for your meal?
Yep.
Alright, so this is the vegetable thali with rajma and cauliflower and potatoes. And that's kidney beans. Samosas and a Peshawari chicken. Ready to go back?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna walk that way. So we just came across a telephone booth. In New York City, they just removed the very last one, but in Montreal, there's still a telephone booth.
Wait, that's a school?
Yeah, that's a university. We're guessing that's a university because there's a graduation tent. So this is Mcgill University. We're gonna take a couple of pictures. 1, 2. So we are back at Yumi Burger. Yeah, yesterday they were building this. There was a lot of construction here. And in a day, they built it and painted it. They just opened this 2 months ago. A free Pac-Man machine.
Maybe you can go.
It's teaching mom.
No, yes, yes, yes. No, 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 yes, yes. No,
And
no,
that's
no,
mom
no.
screaming.
So cool.
All right, so we just got our food. That's the double cheeseburger with their house-made sauce. We have 2 spicy chicken sandwiches. Comes in a trio. I think $13.99 or something like that. Comes with a couple of sauces, crinkle cut fries. Let's try them out. Khiz, how are the crinkle cut fries?
Amazing.
All right, last few bites.
Eesa.
Your favorite what?
Fast food restaurant in my life.
Really? 10 out of 10?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
So we are at the last stop of our tour of Montreal. This is the St. Joseph Oratory. So that's the basilica with the stairs. All right, first stop, we're gonna check out the basilica. That's where we parked. We actually went in through the basilica and came out but we could have just walked here and then we can go to the front. This is what the construction is for. They're building a new walkway that goes all the way up right from the bottom parking lot.
See you guys next time. Bye from Montreal. Bye from Montreal.
Como si fuera esta noche la última vez. Bésame, bésame mucho. Que tengo después. Bésame, bésame mucho. Como si fuera esta noche la última vez.